I had experienced a leaky roof, and after contacting a number of different roofing companies, many refused to work with a wood shingle roof. I was fortunate enough that one of them highly recommended Guardian Roofing. When I called Guardian Roofing, within less than a week, a representative came to my home to examine the project and give me a roofing estimate. The representative was friendly, very prompt, very polite, very cordial. He took the time to went on the roof and examined not only the portion that I was experiencing trouble with, but examined the entire roof to ensure that everything that needed to be done was done. What I liked most about it was the fact that he took the time to take pictures of the different problem areas on the roof. That way I could see exactly what was happening and I would understand how detailed the project would be. The pictures are still available to me, and I greatly appreciated the fact that I can also refer to them at any given time. Once we decided on a price, the Office of Guardian Roofing called me and arranged a time for the actual work to be done. The roofer came out and again was very polite, very professional, and very clean. He went over all of the different areas that would be addressed that day. And after the job was done, he completely cleaned the area and left it exactly as he found it. I am very satisfied with Guardian Roofing and would definitely recommend to anyone in need of roof repair project